Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you add or remove background image in Microsoft Teams app. So let's get into the video. So open up your Teams app, and then once I've logged into your account, so I'm on my account, I've logged in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for example, get into a meeting, probably a sample meeting, probably this one here. So join for, all right, so this is my meeting here. So what I'm going to do now here, what I'm going to do, so if I'm going to click on these three options here, so once I'm on a meeting, so click on these three options, the three dots here, and then click on change background. And then here, so what's going to happen is that if you want to add a background, hit on the add option here, and then you can add from your gallery, your phone, so whatever, or from your drive, so whatever you have saved it, so you can just add it. So click on it, and then that's it, your image will be added here, and you can straight away use that image as your background. So, and if you want to remove a background image, so what you can do, you can simply select the image, and then there will be an X there, so click on it, and that will remove it. Click on delete, that will remove it. And that's pretty much how you can change, add or remove background in Teams app. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.